can you tell?
This is Christmas 2011. Ainsley just turned 1. She's mostly eating the ornaments, right? Ah, there's... Yay! Chloe, show it to me. Chloe will be 3 in January. Hi, sweetie. Here's Joseph.
I'll be 34 in
Yikes. Oh, I'm doing the video. I see a big hole where there's no lights in the middle of the tree. Right there.
Alright.
And a hole on the other part, too.
Load it up with ornaments,
Yes.
and that way we won't.
Hey, Ian, come here. Tell me about you. How old are you this year?
5.
5? That's right. And what are you doing with the tree right now?
Decorating.
Yeah?
Ornaments.
What's your favorite ornament?
The ones with the hooks.
The ones that have the hooks.
Yeah.
Yeah, those are pretty
My
cool.
favorite is the fire truck.
Ooh, cool. Good. Ainsley, what's going on, baby?
Just
Yeah. You're gonna put it back on the tree?
1, 2, 3, 4.
She's gonna try to climb that tree.
Mom, I did 4 ornaments over here.
Oh, thank you, Ian. Great job.
And I think this one doesn't need hook. It just hangs up.
Yeah.
This one just hangs up. It's not mine.